Hello friends and family, Stephen here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great week this week. This is going to be the video for my official entry into the NASCAR 2023 group build. Stay tuned. Just a really quick video to show the kit I'm going to be building, to show that it's going to be, that it is an unstarted brand new kit. I just wanted to build something old NASCAR, well, old to me. So I'm going to build AMT, or Lindbergh's venerable Richard Petty Plymouth Belvedere from 1964. That is his Daytona 500 winner that year. The box is still sealed. We will go ahead and crack that open today. Instructions. Oh, it's molded in color. You know, I've had this kit on the shelf for a while and I never had opened it. Did not know it was molded in blue. Yeah, that'll simplify some things, but I'm still going to paint the car. But, you know, we've always been Richard Petty fans here, Dale Earnhardt fans. I haven't built a NASCAR kit this year. I haven't built anything this year. I have been working on my under 1,000 subscribers group build a little bit. I'm going to be working on it today. So hopefully we can get some headway on it and I can get a video update on it coming. That's all I've got for this short video. Look for an update on that hashtag under 1000 GB group build after this one. And in the near future I will have a video up of the Ford Focus ST before and after with a new Roush complete exhaust system. I am now officially sponsored with my car from Wickedly Boosted at wickedlyboosted.com. Let me give you a little commercial here. I want to give a big thanks to the guys at Team Wickedly Boosted for offering me this sponsorship and accepting me. Guys, head on over there for some really cool t-shirts, some swag, stickers. They've got shift knobs, interior dress-up, engine dress-up. They do lean towards the Subaru side of the spectrum, but they do have parts and obviously gear for other makes and models. Here is a coupon code. Use that for a cool 10% off of your next order. So I want to take a moment to thank my subscribers. I want to thank each and every one of you, everybody who likes, shares, comments. You guys are the very best part of YouTube. So I hope everybody has a great week and a great weekend when it gets here. See you in the next video.